and welcome to Elliana's Kitchen Corner. Today, we will be making simple and traditional Vietnamese fried rice. So, let's get started. The ingredients you'll need are oil, onions, rice, green beans, carrots, eggs, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. First things first, always wash your hands with soap. Dice up a half of an onion. Cut 1 large carrot. Cut a handful of green beans. First, you're going to start out with turning the stove to high. Then you're going to put in some oil. Wait till the oil is nice and hot and add in some onions. Cook your onions till they're golden brown. Now add in your rice. Start to stir. Cook the rice and onions for about 2 minutes. I like to make a hole in the middle for the eggs so they cook faster. Now start to stir the eggs and rice together. Now start to add all the veggies. Cook the green beans and carrots for about 5 minutes. Remember to constantly stir the fried rice. Now add in the ginger and the garlic. Stir for about 2 more minutes. Then add in your meat. You can use chicken, pork, or beef, or even tofu. Again, mix it all up. Then add in some soy sauce. Last but not least, add in pepper. The cooking time is about 20 minutes. Now that you're done, you can garnish it with some green onions. And that's how you make traditional Vietnamese fried rice. Enjoy. Mmm.